the audio. I'm having audio issues lately. So hopefully I can learn to breathe into the microphone better and just sound clearer. So I've been having issues. I don't like hearing breaths. I don't like hearing your own breaths when you're talking. So I'm trying to figure out how to cope with that. Maybe there's a video I can watch on how to breathe properly when recording. This AO is pretty nice though, right? Look at Megan goes. He hopefully reduces attack bars, which he does. And Lucian's gonna kill. Then I don't have to. Boom, dead. You dead. All I do is Minnesota. I'm from Minnesota, man. We should get together, bruh. Let's talk some of this war, homie. Alright. So let's throw in Leo. Counter that Bernard. Leo's so... I love Leo. I wish I had a Leo in my primary. Leo's bae. Because now Bernard don't get to do shit. Oh, and you Violet proc. And you... That's a dead Bernard. Oh, shit. So good. Then we're going to reduce everyone's attack by. And then we're going to nuke. I mean, there's 2 fire there. And there we go. And there's a victory. Hooray, victory. One more. And hopefully this video does not sound terrible. Because if it does, I don't know what I'm going to do. I might just have to go and get a mic stand and shit. Actual setup and a computer and all that. This is from recording straight from my phone. That's the problem. Alright, let's do something else. Wow, what kind of team is that? We are really low on arena rankings right now, apparently. Because these teams are terrible. Boom, 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 boom. And you all are dead. I want Julie to get some of this action, man. I'm just going to kill this fucker. Julie, you kill them all. Good, Julie. And alright, let's see. That's it. That's a short video. I just want to see if the sound quality is better. I don't even know if I'm going to upload this shiz late.